Hi guys, today I'll be making another YouTube video, and on this video I'll be reviewing these mini brands, and I'll also be reviewing these mini brands. Let me show you what they are. I'll be reviewing two unfrozen, I'll be reviewing two unboxed ultra rare frozen moment minis, and this is series 5, and I'll also be opening unboxed ultra rare frozen moment mini series 4. So I'll be opening up series 4 and 5. And let's go. And now let's start the video. First I'll be opening up one series 4. Mini Man series 4. I'll opening up this one first. Okay guys, I'm opening up the series 4 right now. But I really hate opening up this plastic, and this plastic is so annoying to open. Oh, it's these kind. I've been opening up these on live, but I never opened up these long ones in a while. Let me open up this one first. Okay. So the first slot. Okay, the first slot we got the checklist. We get all these ones. All these minis. The first one I got is a $100 bill. So the first one I got is this money. It's like $100 bills. See? I'm fixing, okay. $100 bill. And I also got, what is it called? Dung stick squishies. You guys see? I also got the dung stick squishies. Okay, and the next one, we're gonna open the next one. What is this? Oh, next one is here. Okay, so yeah, I got this Peeps. This is the Peeps. And yeah, let's open up the next one now. Let me see if anything else is in this ball. Nothing else is here. Okay, let's open up the next one. Oh no, it fell. Okay, I got it. Now let's open up the next one now. What is this one gonna be? Oh my god, why did it fall in my hand? What is this? Wet one. Hand. Okay, I got one with this wet one. I got this wet one. Okay, next one I'll open up is let me open the next one. What is this? This is best no hand smell finish. I have no idea what the heck this is. Don't ask me what the heck it is. I have no idea what the heck. This is. Let me put all the toy on this side. Let me put all these things so they go away on the other side. Oh my, it just fell. Okay, let me open it up now. Let me peel it, hold on. Oh, I got extra laundry detergent. Alright, now let's open up one of the series 5 balls. I'm making YouTube! Oh, sorry guys, I have to talk to my mother. I might just edit it out, or it's fine. I'm gonna edit it out. Okay, hold on, I'm opening up the series for my boss. It's really annoying. Oh, this one's different. Oh, it's like this one is like the bag. This one I can actually keep the ball, that's what I like about this one. Okay, first bag. First bag I got bowl, I got this one it's called bowl chicken flour, bowl ramen noodle soup, chicken flavored, this is chicken flavored ramen noodle, see? Oh, there's the glare, hold on. You guys can see. Chicken flavored ramen noodles. Next one. This is caramel scales. This is, what do you call this? This is a taco seasoning. This is the back. All the ingredients and how many... It has 60 calories and everything tells you. Okay, the next one, I opened, I got, this. What is this? I got big ropes. These big ropes is like, it's like a candy. It's like a weird candy. I don't even know what candy it is. I had another one. It had another one in it. It's like $100 bills from another country, not US dollar. Okay. Our next one comes with a plate and a taco. And the other one I opened, the next one it comes with an actual taco, this one. And hot sauce. Oh! How cool. This one's like this. Like this. The taco, and then you see there's a little hole right here. And a hole right here, then you plug it together. And like this. How cool. I thought used to be opening up this a long time ago. Okay, the next one I got. Hold on, what is Paulita's 8 fudge? Oh, this is like, oh, I know these are like the fudge cracker stick things. Okay, I used to have these, but I never ate them. I never ate them in my life. Okay. For the next one, we'll be opening up this one and the other. I'm gonna open up the plastic for both of them. And then, I'm gonna open them both up after I open the plastic for both of them. The ball just slipped out of my hand, guys. And then try to for the series. Alright, okay. Okay, now let me open up. Let me just try for a second. Let me open up Series 5, then I'll open up both of them. Then I'll open up both of them. Okay. Then you put all the stuff in this bowl. I'm gonna hold my weight. Okay. I gotta go eat soon, so I'm gonna quickly open this up. I got Fruitella, like this candy. Fruitella, which is this candy. Let me put it in this bowl. Then put the Fruitella in this bowl, which is the candy, and yeah. Next one I got is Chunkies. Chunky. I don't know what the heck that is. Here's Chunky is, oh, it's Chunky with beef something and vegetables and just, I think it's just like beef mix and, I think it's just like beef and vegetables. I think it's just beef and vegetables. I got two of them. The next one is Golden Tabasco Hot Sauce. Golden Tabasco Hot Sauce. And the last one from the Series 5 I got is... What is this? It is Golden Coin. Okay, coming up the Series 5 really quick and then we're done. The Series 4 and then we're done. Okay. I got organic raisins. I got organic raisins. Next one I got is... Oh, I got a Push Pop. Pink Push Pop. I'm trying to open this up. And let me bend this. I think that's fine. Let me bend it. Let me bend these quickly and then I'll be gone. I mean, let me bend this quickly and then I'll make few more YouTubes and I'll be gone. I'll have to review one more, some more balls and then I'm done. How do you even build this? Huh? I don't understand. Let me open up the instructions. Hold on, guys. Oh. What am I doing? Oh. So... I'm connecting like this. What? Hold on, guys. And then... I don't know why there's only one pink piece. What? Oh. Okay, now what am I doing? Hold on. Let me ask Drugs. Instruction, where did you go? Oh. And then you put these on. Okay, then we're gonna put this one on. And then we're gonna have to for now I'm just gonna put it like this, but if I ever use it I'm gonna put it the nice organized way. See? I didn't put it nicely, but yeah. So it might be another show. Oh no, it's not a show. And this one is Morning Star. Mom is like, oh, it's like a cookie. It's a cookie. I gotta wait until we quickly finish opening this. Checklist. Royal Green. Oh, this is Royal Green strawberries. I think it's like a strawberry candy or something. I think it's a strawberry candy. Okay. Yeah. Alright guys, thank you for watching my video, and comment down below if you guys like, want to see more me opening up blind balls, or comment down below if you like it or don't like it, and also comment down below if you want to see me opening more. The end. And thank you guys for coming. If you want to see more, please check it out. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this, and to see more of this, my YouTube shorts, and go check out my previous videos, and also go check out me whenever I'm live. And yeah, the end.